Hello Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Gemini, paunang mensahe po ninyo ay repairing the veil. No? There is forgiveness. Napakaganda kasi you're choosing love. No? For you to be able to forgive, you're choosing love na dito. You're choosing to accept, no, you would have ngayon, radical acceptance, no, of what happened, kung ano man na nangyari sa inyo, ng kung sino man, nagkaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaintindihan, pag-aaway, disagreement, yung gano'n in the past. Ngayon, nalagpasan nyo na yan, na-realize nyo na ngayon na mas mabuting pairalin ninyong pagmamahal at pag-ibig. No, kaya you'd be able to forgive na, and you're willing now to move forward sa buhay ninyo, no? We have deep diver diving into a task. Ayan, so siguro ang iba sa inyo dito back to normal na, kumbaga, no? After the holidays, back to normal, focus kayo ngayon sa inyong mga trabaho na, no, and you are going to siguro back to office na ang iba sa inyo, Gemini. We have number 63, Winter's Dream, gestation period, no? For others of you dito, Gemini, maaring buntis, no? Maaring buntis. Maaring ang iba sa inyo is conceiving, maybe ang iba sa inyo maaring malapit ng mga anak, no? Or baka ang iba sa inyo dito meron kayong ninonurture, inaalaga ang plano. Maybe there is a long-term project or long-term plan na inaalagaan ninyo sa ngayon. Maaring yon, inaayos nyo yan, pinaghahandaan ninyo sa ngayon, maaring gano'n ang ganap. We have Crown Games, right use of power. Ayan, so this is siguro, no? Ang iba siguro sa inyo, baka kayo ay isang leader, nasa position of authority kayo, and you are being reminded here, no, na anuhin ninyo, kumbaga, use, no, your power in the right way, no? Yung maging honest kayo, no? Maging efficient, maging effective ang mga ginagawa ninyo, yung ganon, no? What else? We have dances on one foot, balancing act. There could be some situation dito na kailangan ninyong balansehin ang inyong sarili, balansehin ang buhay, balansehin ninyo kung papaano ninyo balansehin ninyo kung papaano ninyo i-roll out, no, ang inyong mga plano. Pag-isipan ninyong mabuti ang inyong mga desisyon, yung ganon, no? Kasi there could be a sensitive issue that you are dealing with sa ngayon, Gemini, kaya kailangan pag-aralan. Hindi pwede rito yung nagra-rush, hindi pwedeng i-apply dito yung pagmamadali, no? At kailangan pag-isipan mabuti, pag-aralang mabuti. We have needing direction. Ayan, so ang iba din siguro sa inyo dito, Gemini, maybe needs some direction. Maybe there are a lot of opportunities na nasa inyong harapan, marami kayong choices, kaya maaaring nalilito kayo which one is best for you, which one are you taking, where are you heading, no? Maaaring may kalituhan, no? Because maybe ang dami-daming opportunities, no, na pagpipilian ninyo. And in that case, no, kapag kayo ay nalilito, make sure, no, na you are listening to your intuition. Make sure that you are tuning into your intuition. Listen and follow what your intuition is telling you, kasi makakatulong yan na magkaroon kayo ng tamang direction. It will always lead you to the right direction, no? So what else? We have number 64, adaptability. So you're able to display your adaptability sa ngayon, your flexibility. So you will be where you need to be, no, Gemini, kasi hindi kayo dito complainer, hindi kayo whiner, marunong kayong mag-adjust, marunong kayong mag-adapt, no, to new environments, to new situations, yung ganon. So, this is really a beautiful trait. We have number 20, Feast of Plenty. There are choices, no, na nandiyan dyan sa inyong harapan. There could be a lot of opportunities dito, no, nadadating sa buhay ninyo. At maaring, ito ito na yung swerte ninyo. There could be success dito, no, na naghihintay sa inyo dito. There could be swerte, no. Maaring yung mga opportunities na to is going to bring you opportunity na maramdaman or maranasan ninyo ang prosperity and abundance. Yung lang dito, yung advice lang din sa inyo rito is for you to to be careful when choosing kung ano mang options ang nandiyan dyan. You need to be ready of the consequences as well. You need to know, no, what are the possible consequences ng mga gagawin ninyo sa ngayon. So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.